I'm Sami Eltom. I'm the Director of Sales for Europe, Middle East and Africa at General Assembly. I think what it's really done for us is help us connect with the community of practitioners that we're really after. It's kept us kind of abreast of what's happening in the market, understanding the latest technologies that are being used, but also some of the skill gaps that are really kind of opening up in the place. So I think for us, it's really important that we continue to stay in touch with this community, and this event has really helped us to do that. I think we found the caliber of the attendees really fantastic. They've been able to provide insights into what's going on in their daily work, but also look forward into what's coming up next. So it's been really great for us to connect. You're never really sure what's going to happen before you've turned up, and some of the conversations have been really enriching. Really getting to understand a lot more than what you thought you were going into the conversation for. And so I think that's the beauty of these type of events, that you're always pleasantly surprised, even though you might have been to a few of these before. It's always important to be out there still meeting people in person, and even in kind of a remote work of today, I still think there's a lot of value in being able to meet up and actually exchange ideas and viewpoints in person. So absolutely, I think this is a really important thing to do. We've had a number of really great meetings today. Even had somebody actually come back to us and say they'd love to be able to sign up to one of our programs. And so that was not something we get every day, but it's really good to have that sort of feedback.